Hi everybody, this is Ken, and it is dark, and I don't know if you can see me or not, but anyway, we're in the woods up by the house, and we've been hearing something up here at night, and this is probably really dumb for us to be up here, but anyway, we're hoping to get the sound on video or audio or whatever. Anyway, we're just gonna walk a little further in. Did you hear that?
No, stop.
Alright, so just listen.
Dad, stop. I want to go back home. Stop playing around, Dad.
Stop talking so loud. I'm serious. Okay, I don't know if you heard that or not. Oh my gosh, did you hear that?
Daddy, oh my God.
Hush, hush, hush. Look over. No, wait.
Dad, stop.
Oh my God.
Dad, stop.
Go. Oh my gosh, go. Get out of here. Oh my gosh. There's something. Oh my God. Did you hear that? Oh my gosh. Wait. Wait, let me. Shut it. Shh. I can't even see. Go. Oh, mama. Okay. We're gone.